Hey guys! Today we're recreating Yuna's inspired makeup look. I'll show you step by step how to achieve it. Let's get started. First things first, cover up those dark circles. For the base, use a cushion foundation. Always start by pressing it into the center of the face. Use the leftover product on the puff to lightly pat over the eyelids, keeping it natural and thin. The key is a lightweight, natural finish, while also brightening the center of the face. Yuna's face is quite full, so this brightening step is very important. For contour, use a cream product so it doesn't look powdery. Remember to blend well so it doesn't look like a beard. Then set with a fixing spray for the whole face, then apply loose powder to the oily areas. Before eyeshadow, apply a base too. Yuna's brows are relatively flat and a bit wide, but make sure to draw them soft and natural, lighter at the front, and extend the tail straight out. Add shading under the tip of the nose to make it more defined, drawing a delicate teardrop nose. Connect the nose bridge and carry it into the eye socket to make it more seamless and natural. Brush the brows in the opposite direction of hair growth. For the eyeshadow, use a light beige tone as the main color, then apply it widely as a base. Use the same shade under the eyes for consistency. Take a darker shade to deepen the crease and extend it outward at the tail. Deepen the lower lash line as well. Now for the fun part, the aegyo-sal. Use an aegyo-sal pencil and go over it a couple times so it really shows up. Make the line a little thicker so it pops more on camera. Line the eyes with a black pencil, filling in the lash line and extending it straight out but slightly downward. Then take a gel liner to open up the inner corners. Deepen the inner and outer corners with the darkest eyeshadow, leaving the middle bare. This gives you that open eye effect. You can go over the liner once more to make it a bit bolder. Her eye makeup is pretty detailed, so take your time here. Highlight the aegyo-sal with a shimmer, add a pop of brightness to the inner corners, and then layer on some glitter shadow across the lids. Then apply these falsies. For blush, go in with a bright pink and sweep it generously across the cheeks, then switch to a smaller brush to layer more color so the cheeks look extra plump and youthful. To finish up, highlight the bridge of the nose, the forehead, and under the eyes. Line both your top and bottom lips. Then fill them in so they look nice and full. And that's it. You've got your Yuna-inspired look. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss my next tutorials.